Hey there, it's Elizabeth and welcome back to another video. I hope y'all are doing well. So today's video, as you can see, is going to be a haul video. I don't normally do hauls, I really don't. However, I don't know, I guess I feel weird about it. Yeah, because it's kind of like, look what I got. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's just weird to me. But anyway, what I do like, however, is other people that showcase some of the things that they have, because I'm like, oh wow, I totally forgot about that book, or yeah, that's been sitting in my cart for a year. Anyway, now this year, quite honestly, in 2021, I am going to be doing a no spend, okay? Okay, let me rephrase that. I will be trying to do a no spend. I want to use what I have. Now, all this new stuff here is from gift cards that I received. Okay, so I don't know. You be the judge. I don't know. Like, I don't consider this my money. You know what I'm saying? Because it was a gift. So, and like, cards don't last forever, folks, right? I don't know. That's what I tell myself anyway. I don't know. Anyway, let me show you what I got, okay? So, and these are things that, like I said, have been either in support of Sweet Friends, or books that have been sitting in my cart, or this particular book right here was mentioned on another channel I'll get into in a moment. I was like, holy cannoli, I didn't know that Cindy Gunter Baldo put out a book, and I love her lettering style. So yeah, there you go. Some things I needed, some things I wanted to try out, and yeah, so we'll start with the books here. Okay, so I was on Galina Purpleina, her YouTube, maybe it was her YouTube? I don't know, because she also has that other one. I forget what it's called. But anyway, she does do videos now on her YouTube, and so sweet to see what all she is involved with. And so she had linked this in her description box. And yeah, I will, I'll try to link all the stuff. I don't know. Do you guys want links of all the stuff that I got, or no? Y'all can look it up. Okay. But anyway, I will put Cindy's, her YouTube channel below. And have followed her for years. And now little disclaimer, I'm not sure, I have not watched some of her videos in recent times, but I used to watch her all the time. She does have colorful language, which, for me is fine. Doesn't really matter. But I love her hand lettering, okay? And I'm so glad that she's able to do this full time now. It's just great. I love lettering, okay? And I'm just gonna show you a few. This right here, I use this lettering and this lettering right here to do some, what's it called? Like a bulletin board thing, like a door decoration in my daughter's class, and it came out so super cute. Yeah, so I don't know off the top of my head the prices or whatever, but I really, really liked it. Turn regular writing into beautiful hand lettering. I love that. And she really does express that anybody can do this. You don't need to be good at lettering or whatever. So yeah, so that's really fun for journals, planners, and more. And yeah, I love it. I love it. And I've used it. And then my dear friend, one of my friends from the Facebook group, and I'm not sure if they want me to put their link. I don't know. I probably should have asked them before I put up this video. I'll ask the moderators or the administrators. And if they say okay, then I will have the link below. And if they say it's not okay, then I will not have the link below. Okay, so this is a journaling group that I belong to and have belonged to for a while now. It's a very, very tight, small, close-knit group, right? And anyway, so one of the gals on there that I've known for years, she had gotten this book by Linda Berry, Syllabus, and Notes from an Accidental Professor. And I literally, years ago, I saw this book and I was like, oh my goodness, I really, I really, really wanted the book. I don't even know if I shared this or not. But yeah, it's just super cool. Okay, it's super cool. I have not read it yet, so I really do want to read it. And it's like a composition notebook, you know, like just, I don't know. It just looks so cool. Like, who would not want to read that, right? So yeah, again, I'm not really sure. Like, let me see. She's a cartoonist, a writer, an assistant professor in interdisciplinary creativity, aka professor long title at the University of Wisconsin. Okay, she runs the Image Lab, blah blah blah. Okay, so how far can a pen, a composition notebook, and a burning question take you? Yeah. What is an image? It's just, I don't know. So, yeah, I need to read through it. I need to actually, it is a reading book, like you read it, you know, but all these really cool, like, you know, just journal pages. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so there's that one. And then this sweet book, okay? Rapunzel here. This is for my sweet friend Heidi Hornsby, okay, on here on YouTube, and I will link her below. She published her first coloring book, okay, and it is like an adult coloring book, which that is, they really need to come up with like a better way to say that. But anyway, she designed all these. She colored this herself. She designed it, drew it out herself, and there are 20 different pages, okay, I think, yeah. Tortured Tales is a collection of 20 original hand-drawn fan art pictures. Enjoy this twist on the popular characters we all know and love. Yeah. So I will put the link to this below and the link to, well, actually, I'll put the link to Heidi Hornsby's YouTube channel, and she does do a preview of this. Yeah, I think it's super cute. And of course, I like to support my friends. So there's that. And then here were some other things that I needed and or wanted, okay? Now, this thing right here, I mean, like, I don't know. I use Aleene's Tacky Glue all the time. I see people using this particular one, okay, that, like, sits upside down, right? So how many times have, sorry for the reach, have y'all been on my channel, and I'm going like this, and I'm going like this, and it's so flipping annoying, so I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm done. Like, normally I like the art glitter glue. That's super expensive, you know? And this, I can at least keep the bottle. And, like, I can go to the Dollar Tree and get one of these 3 ounces of glue, which is a crap ton of glue. I can get it for $1, you know? So I thought, okay, yeah, I'm going to try it. And it does have kind of a fine tip, right? You know, kind of fine. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to see how that baby works. And then, like I said, I can reuse the bottle to put my own tacky glue in. Now, here, okay, the Tim Holtz scissors, right? I had seen these on Allison's, and she kind of does the same, or like maybe has the same feelings as I do. Like, she actually received hers as a gift, a very sweet gift from one of her subscribers, and she loves them. They're the Tim Holtz scissors. Now, I went ahead and purchased the small snipper things, whatever they're called, and these are the bigger ones. Like, this is the 7-inch one, and this is the 5-inch one. Now, I have to tell you, Tim, I don't know. I don't know. When I saw 7-inch and 5-inch, I thought that was like the blade length, all right? Apparently, it's not. Let me just get up and get a ruler here. Okay, because I know on the packaging, like, one of them said 7 inches and one of them said 5 inches. Okay, yeah. 7 inches means that's the whole length of the scissors, all right? And as you can tell, the handle takes up, I mean, well, like 2/3 of it, okay? And then these are 5 inches, right? So what Allison had gotten were the long, you know, they're like regular scissors, I guess. And then she got this pair here, I think. Anyway, when I was ordering, I was like, oh, I wanted like the regular long ones. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay. So I have been using these. I do enjoy them. Okay. I have to tell you though, like, they're serrated, and I'm going to have to watch some videos because, yeah, I think Allison said that like if you hold them one way and cut, it's serrated. If you hold them the other way and cut, it's not. Because see down, this blade here is not serrated. This blade here is serrated. I don't know. When I use them to cut though, I can hear the serration, okay? I don't even know if that's a word. But anyway, I have enjoyed them so far. I do fussy cut, so these are gonna come in handy. Yeah, and what I really like about them is the grip. I do like, even though, you know, the handles are the biggest part, you know, whatever, but I do like the way that they grip. They are very comfortable, okay? They're very comfortable. So that was definitely a want, not a need, because, you know, yeah. What I should have gotten was sewing scissors, because I seem to have lost those. Oh my gosh. They're probably with my glue bottle. I don't know. I don't even know, folks. I don't know. Okay, anyway. This is one of the things that I wanted to get and needed to get, was some new Dymo tape, label tape, you know, for the label maker. I love using this stuff. Yeah, I just love using my Dymo tape thing, which is, oh, sorry. I don't want to shake you about. Here it is right here. Dymo Office Mate 2, and it's old, and it was like, I think I probably paid less than $4, but I love it. I use it a lot, and so yeah, I needed more tape, so I got that. And then I got these Pigma Microns. Okay, now I love Micron pens. All right, we're just gonna open this bad boy up. You know, well, maybe if you don't know, sorry for the noise. I do like to doodle. I have a lot of fun doodling. This is going to go into my journal, and these are all of the tips right now. One of the pens that I like a lot is this graphic pen, and I'm so glad that they have one in here. Yeah. I don't know. Can you see that? It's like a felt tip pen, but I love it. And it's great because it's archival. It is, I believe it's permanent, micropigment ink, yeah, for waterproof and fade-proof fine lines. So love that, all right? And then this here's a brush pen. Oh, all right. Well, that's interesting. A brush pen, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I love all the different, you know, sizes of nibs and everything like that, or whatever you call it. Sizes of tips, I guess. Yeah, and they are super fun to use for, whatchamacallit, doodling, okay? Let me know if you guys have microns, okay? Do you store them flat, or do you store them on their tops so the ink stays downward? Just let me know. I don't know. Like, I have micron pens, right? Obviously, like the one I just showed you, but I have this one from years and years and years ago, and it still works. I don't know. Yeah, I have a few. Anyway, so I got that. And then I also got these blending stumps because I needed blending stumps. For some reason, a few years ago, when my son was in college, he must have taken some blending stumps for art class or something, and like I never got them back. So I don't know whatever happened to them, but they're not here. And they're really good if you want to do like charcoal drawings or pencil drawings. You know, they're really good for shading. And of course you could use a Q-tip, but these are super nice because they have a tip on them. And then it comes with a little sanding block. So you just sand off, you know, if you need to have a new point, or your point is dull, or you want it pointier or whatever, you sand it off, all right? Generally speaking, with a blending stump, if you're using pencil to draw, you want it to be dirty, you know, because it adds to the shading. Anyway, so I had to get some of those. Sorry for that glare. And then I needed to get some more watercolor brushes because I am a spaz. Okay, now these are going to stay in here for a bit. Sorry if it's glary. This I think is so super hilarious. I'm going to put it on here, but one of the things I shared the last time, I bought these are Transon art materials. Yeah, I really do like these brushes. They're not very expensive at all. And I got them because oftentimes I leave my brushes in the water by accident and it ruins the tip. And it says right here, number 3, ensure it is not resting on its tip in big letters. This will cause the hairs to blend and or fray and go all wonky. And the effect is irreversible. Okay, so that's what I've done. I've made some of my brushes wonky and I just can't have that if I'm gonna use them for watercolor. So I'm probably gonna cut this off and put that in my book somehow. And then last but not least, I think this is what I got. And this was a wand thing. And why? I don't know. Because I need more stickers. Yeah, no, I do not need more stickers, okay? But I saw these on Emmylou Arts and I just thought they were so cute. They're called Heeda sticker, Heeda sticker. Version 2 apparently, and it comes with like 10. I mean, there's a lot, right? Now I do think the sticker pack was like $8 or something, but like seriously, it comes with 10 or 12 sheets, you know? And I love these little girls, right? And because my journal is smaller this year, a bit smaller, these are just like the perfect size, you know? So cute. I hope there's not too much of a glare. But there you have it, right? They are super cute, okay? And I like them a lot. So those are some of the goodies that I got. I'm still on the no spend, folks, still on the no spend. I'm telling you, this was not my money, okay? It was generous gift cards and yeah. Oh, my blending stumps. It just, I don't know, it excites me to get stuff like this because like the blending stumps and this and everything, because it encourages me to be creative, I guess, you know, like looking at these blending stumps, I think to myself, oh, you know, you should really draw a face again, you know, and use your pencils and use your blending stumps and stuff like that. Yeah. Or with the microns, you know, it's like, oh, you should really doodle some stuff, you know? Yeah, I really should. And hand lettering, yeah, I've already started doing some. These I made into little stickers, right? And it's gonna say word of the year. So yeah, it just encourages me to be creative. Not that you have to buy anything to be creative. You can find a whole slew of inspiration online. It's, yeah, I just wanted to share with you what I chose to get with some of my Christmas moolah. And yeah, some things I wanted, some things I needed that I have run out of, and some things to, you know, support friends, you know. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that video. I don't know, maybe there'll be another haul at some other point when I start adding up more stuff in my cart. So, yep. Again, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate it, and thanks for your support. I will talk to you all real soon. Bye for now.